it's recording. All right, listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick. I just left the gym, so please excuse your girl looking a little rough. So listen, the soda deal is back on Checkout 51. Big shout out to Lynn for hitting me up. I was like, oh, they open in like 20 minutes. Like, oh my gosh. Like, and I know Joseph is gonna literally unalive me if I bring any more soda home, because y'all know I got 8 last time. And I'm about to dead ass get 8 more. And so I'm about to hide them somewhere in a cabinet somewhere behind some stuff. So he don't, well, he watches these videos. So, hey, boo. So I wanted to do a video for y'all. I'm going to try to get this one posted as soon as I can. So I'm going to head over to Walmart right now. And do that deal. And then there's something else I'm going to try to grab as well while I'm there. There's a deli deal that Romy Saves posted this morning too, but it's not confirmed yet, so I don't know if it would actually work. Our deli doesn't open until 7, and it's 6:12 right now, so I'll probably have to, if I try that deal at all, it'll be after I get Josiah off to school. And so I'm going to head over to Walmart really quick. We're going to do this real quick deal, y'all.
They will. Only 10% of adults will. Modior. No. They will run away. No. Guess what we're getting ready to get into? Think about it. We're getting ready to get into fall and then winter. That's what they said. 90% of kids will eat the snow. Only 10% of adults. Did y'all ever eat the snow? I did when I was a kid. Yeah, my mom tried to make ice cream with the snow. We were like, good morning.
Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. So as you can see, I grabbed the soda. I grabbed a total of 8 of them on 4 on 2 different transactions, because I do have 2 Checkout 51 accounts. I have one, Joseph has one. And so that worked out good. It went straight through on, well, Checkout 51 is still processing, which I know Checkout 51 receipts have been taking longer for me. Well, no, I take that back, because the ham went through with the quickness. What else? As far as, I think I did inbox and ta-da, and those, I think one receipt is processing. Is it on, I don't know if it's on inbox or ta-da. One of them went through, and the other one is still pending. I wanted to try the ham, the Elk Ridge, I think that's how you pronounce it, ham, to see if that deal was going to work out. So Romy Saves posted with the ham, the Elk Ridge ham this morning, if you were grabbing a quarter of a pound. A full pound is $5.94, so a quarter of that would be $1.48. So when I did it the first time, I kind of just tried to stick as close to a quarter of a pound as I could. If you do the quarter of a pound on 4 different transactions, you would pay $5.92. Obviously, you'd pay the price it is for 1 pound, since you're just doing 1 pound in quarter increments. And so, it would be $5.92, and then you would get back $8 on Swagbucks, which is $2 for, well, it's $4 for every set of 2, and you would get back 87 cents for each one on Checkout 51, which is $3.48. So it'd make it a $5.56 moneymaker. That was my plan initially, So some of the amounts are different. I'm gonna pop up right here how much it ended up being for me, because all of them are different amounts. Like one was 196, one was 199, one was 119, one was 160. So the lowest one was 119, and I'll pop up how much it ended up costing me right here on the first transaction. And then I went to a different store because I wanted to do the multivites again, and first store didn't have any, they only had one. So I went to the second store, they only had two, so I ended up grabbing two of those and the B12s, these here. So yeah, I'll go over probably that deal in my next Walmart haul. I just wanted to do the run deals for this. And so on the second transaction, because the first one went straight through, and I was more concerned with the one that was the lowest, which was 119. That one was the one that was like, was it 19? I think that one was how much was that one? That one was like, I think that one was like 19th of a pound, I think. And that one was the one I was more concerned with, but that went through. So since that one went through, when I went to the second store, I tried to stick closer to 0.20 of a pound, 0.20 of a pound. So the totals for that one was two were 113, one was 107, and one was 10. I'll pop up right here how much that set cost me. And they're just super small, y'all. Like literally, I have 8 bags. You want to see them? I know some of y'all be liking to see stuff. I know. That's the 4. Well, actually, I take that back. The second set, I was like, since the limit on Checkout 51 is a limit of 5, I'll just go ahead and just grab 5 because it's a money maker regardless. I'm just gonna grab another pack. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one I grabbed 5, and then the other bag I grabbed 4 because I was like, okay, well. And so this one right here, I have 4. So I got a lot of ham. So I'm gonna put them in all into one like gallon size Ziploc bag and probably freeze it. But again, I'll pop up how much both transaction 1 and transaction 2, how much they ended up costing me. So that deal is a run deal. I would grab that sooner than later because that deal is not gonna last. Y'all know these rebates run out really quick, and the more people do them, the faster they go. So that deal is a run deal. The soda is a run deal because, as y'all know, last time that deal didn't even last long. And then I wanted to grab another Airwick, which I did. I did the little critters again, and I wanted to do this deal because I kept forgetting to do the Summer's Eve. $1.94, $1 back on Ibotta, $1 in points on Fetch Reward makes this free. Limit of 3 on Fetch, limit of 5 on Ibotta. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of those. Okay, really quick. Now the Kinders, it has gone through on Checkout 51 on one of my accounts. I'm still waiting on the other receipt to process. I did try submitting it on Swagbucks as well. It's in review. I'll let you guys know how that works out. But even if it's just Checkout 51, it's totally free. The Folgers, I did that as well, and that receipt is still processing. But it worked last week, so I assume it'll work this week, making that a 34-cent moneymaker. Other than that, you guys, what else? Oh, real quick. One of you guys mentioned in my last video that when I was on the clearance aisle, there was a particular item that we had a rebate for. The Stone Stoppers, this right here. It was $4 on clearance, and then I got back $7 on Ibotta, so it made this a $3 moneymaker. So I'll pop up who I saw post this. Big shout out to you, because it would, yeah. And so I don't know if it's gonna reset. I didn't have it on Walmart rewards, but if it resets on Ibotta and they still have some there, I'll grab another one tomorrow morning. And then I went to Dollar Tree and got some more Rockstars. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you get to the end of the video, I want to see the stationery, all right? Anything as far as stationery, pencils, pens, books, in the comments if you get to the end of the video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.